In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Clickup, a fantastic tool that helps you stay organized and on top of your tasks. Whether you're managing a project or keeping track of daily to-dos, setting reminders can be a game changer. Let's dive right into it, and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, we're going to want to start by heading over to the Clickup website. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Clickup homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice it's a hub of efficiency and organization. What you'll need to do next is to look at the top right corner of the page where you'll see the option to log in. Click on that and get ready to dive into your workspace. Once you've clicked log in, you'll have a few different sign-in options. For simplicity, let's use the Continue with Google button. Clicking this option will prompt you to choose your Google account. You'll want to select the one that's linked to your Clickup account. This is convenient because it saves you the hassle of remembering another password. After successfully logging in, the interface may seem bustling with features, but don't worry. Our focus is on setting a reminder. Look to the left panel, which acts like a dashboard where you can access all your spaces. Go ahead and click into your space where your task is located. Think of spaces as organized sections where different projects or teams reside, making your workflow much easier. Now, search for your task within that space. Once you find it, look for those three little dots. This is your task menu. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu filled with various options at your disposal. When you're in the menu, the next important step is to click Remind Me. This is where the magic happens. Once you've clicked Remind Me, a calendar interface will appear. This is your tool for choosing exactly when you want your reminder to appear. Consider carefully the date and time you want to be reminded. Remember, setting your reminders at a strategic time ensures you're prompted to take action when it's most effective for you. Click on the date and, if necessary, adjust the time, keeping in mind your busiest hours, which you might want to avoid. And that's it. You now have a reminder set in Clickup. It's a small feature that can make a big difference in keeping your tasks organized. By following these steps, you've taken a great step toward mastering your task management. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to tackle tasks without missing a beat.